Alright, so it's time once again for another bike check. Josh. No, not Josh James, but Josh Verdagovich. Otherwise known as Cletus.
Alright.
We're gonna start at the front. Also for the third time, he doesn't know any of his bike parts.
I
do. We start at the grips, go to the back. Yeah. We got some Walmart grips right here. Mongoose, okay. They're still Walmart. We got some premium whiskeys. We got premium whiskeys right here. 8.25s. Going down to the Sunday, my old Sunday Freeze top load. Going down to some premium solo stock forks with a stock hub. He will be getting cinemas front and back soon. He has the Primo 7000 series rim with a Mongoose tire. Swag. He has a premium solo frame. It's pretty bashed up. He has the my old King Sexton seat. With just some kind of post, I don't know what it is. He has, going down to the bottom bracket area, he has a shadow bottom bracket with Primo power bites. With Diamondback pedals, a shadow sprocket. It's not the Scream, but it's something.
It's white.
It's white.
Call it the shadow white.
If that'll help. He has the KMC chain, crap. He has, again, a stock hub, stock rim, and a premium CK tire, which is balder than Mr. Rao's head. That's it.
Sponsored by Spoke Round.
We're gonna get a couple clips in by him, and that'll be it.
Kinda hit you. Wow! I can't do this. I got them slip pads. Man, I'm good at stuff.
Sesh.
Feeling something like Rick Moranis, blew up the kid, now he doing damage. You ought to know, like my name's Atlanta. Said on me, take a seat, young Christopher.